The number of people wey Fulani herdsmen kpai for inside Enugu State for the community wey they call Ụzọ-uwani increase every day. As we dey talk right now, they discover many people wey those people don kpai for inside that place. Before this thing, remember say we warn governor Mba for this platform. Say this cry wey these women dey cry for Enugu State, hear them and stop these people immediately. Forget about your political interest, because if they take over your land, you are not going to be there where you are dreaming to be. However, as that one dey happen, the information wey dey reach us right now, they say that the Biafra army say they go make sure say they all the whole Fulani they go buy them for inside area. I say here e don red though. As that one dey happen, that one video wey we wan bring come for una watch wetin our forefathers talk for this video. However, let's jump inside this matter and know how it dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. Let's watch this video before we come back and continue. I'm going to show you this video. May you watch the numbers. See the increase for inside Enugu. They are discovering more people wey buy for inside that place. Watch the video.
This man on a pontage. Okay. Jesus. Okay. Le Queen. Montage Kagbariha. The same Gujoro. Ndi no kwa mo mane ma yim kwa ebe ha no obodo agwugokwe so federal government biko nu batara yo so nyemeka batara so nyemeka biko this man is bad also run be have mother have bad biko obodo anyị gwukwara agwụ ihe a na-eme n'ugwu joro o na-eme kịta taa bekee ekuka ihe a na-eme obodo a gwukwara agwụ obodo anyị na-agbafusi ọsọ.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As I have watched that video, you don't see say everybody waiting for that community don't jackpot. Now the thing where the governor want for him people, not be that. So the Igbo people, I'm sorry for everyone, because where would they make choice of governors, may we realize say now only one thing we go dey ask for. Now be our own freedom. Now waiting go win all those things. These guys are not there for us. All of them from Enugu to Imo State, they are not there for us. So my heart go to this particular village, and I be the thing. So if people they tell them, they no go agree. But however, let's jump inside this matter and hear waiting this one Biafra army talk before we come back and continue.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, lovers of freedom. It is a wonderful day, always a wonderful day in the land of Biafra. Yes. The owners of the land know themselves. We cannot fear the intruder and the terrorists, the enemies that came into our land to kill us. With a collaboration with all the evil governors and senators and House of Rep, then gather, join body. See, there are a lot of things you do not know as human. And those things you do not know, when people are trying to open your eye, pay attention to it. Because in this life, no matter how short the life is, you deserve to live. You deserve to live well. You deserve to live happily. You deserve, to be happy. You deserve to express yourself. I want to tell you something. A lot of people are complaining. A lot of people are crying. A lot of people, keep talking nonsense. Let me make sense out of their nonsense. If they will, even have brain to learn. You can never be minority in your father's house. That is one. Every children in a family have equal right because you have one mother and one father. Every children in a particular family have an equal right. If your father get land, if you must share that land, even though na small, he go give you, you must have a portion of a land from your father. Nobody will come to your father's house and call you minority. That is one thing you should know. Nobody have a right to tell you how to live your life in your father's compound. And in the land of Biafra, it is our right. It is our right to live. It is our right to live. And those who say we cannot live, you might not believe me anyway, but I will keep telling you the truth. Truth is bitter. Truth is what people hate to hear. Truth is only what those that love truth are pure at heart. Biafra is only what we need. And Biafra is exactly what we will get. And if you think we are just few, you are deceiving yourself. We are legion. The forces. Some people are saying that fuel is something else.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, I'm going to play you the message from our forefathers. Watch this video.
Whereas, will you actually advise us to surrender?
I'm asking questions.
I see. No, that doesn't come into question at all. We don't think about it. We know what it means. It just means death for us all. No, we are not going to surrender.
Do you think?
No, they say they will never give up. They say they will fight to the last man.
Biafra is at the moment experiencing jungle justice, which is the justice of might is right, because we are under an economic blockade, we are under a propaganda blockade, we are under a diplomatic blockade. Nobody sees what we are suffering, nobody hears what we are suffering, and as a result of that, the wrong story is presented to the world. We are not heard, and therefore we cannot be judged except on the basis of the lies being told about us. When we have been able to overcome this jungle justice and we are heard, then we will then get the civilized justice, because our case will be brought into the open. And once a case is in the open, you cannot play tricks. We are now...
This message is very clear and they come directly from our forefathers. My people, I want you to share this video, and this message is to Nigeria government. All this whole thing, Funani agenda of a thing, you can never take an inch from Igbo land. It can't happen. Never. When doing that, prefer for another Biafra and Nigeria wahala. My people, share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. You get why?